That is what we were hoping for. How amazing is that? Keep watching right near shore, 1 o'clock. These humpback whales are the 5th largest whale. That makes it the 5th largest animal on the planet. And so when they breach or jump out of the water like that, you're getting the very lucky and fortunate opportunity to see its entire body. There we go. Still going for it. That whale, fully grown, is 50 feet long. And there was, it was either part of its fluke, which is its tail, or part of its pectoral flipper. It was hard to tell. So this vessel is 96 feet long, to help you put that size of that animal into perspective. Get outside. This is amazing. Starboard or right hand side. Maybe the only thing I like seeing more than orcas is a breaching humpback whale.
It's like right there. Just keep walking right there. You see it right there.
Alright, so that was its pectoral flipper right there, just slapping the water. That's a third the length of their body, those pectoral flippers. And you could even see half its fluke, half its tail is sticking up. Alright, we even just got that awesome tail fluke or tail shot. Now I mentioned it when we passed by that first humpback whale. Maybe, hopefully, none of you are mad at me anymore that we left it. But when we passed it, it had that deep sounding dive where it showed its tail or fluke. And there's good news and there's bad news when it comes to that. And apparently it's gonna just stay on the surface. So I'll wait. I'll tell you more about that later. Just enjoy this.